guys, welcome to the Merry Boozers RC channel. Today we have the Hangar 9 Fokker D7. It is one fucking beautiful airplane, isn't it?
Yeah, it was a challenge when Mr. McGee gave it to us.
That's right.
The front end was completely off to about the pilot here.
So we do have pictures of it. We will definitely cut them in.
This airplane actually created me to go to the hospital.
That's right.
With a pinched nerve in my neck. But anyway, I hope this one is as successful as I can make it.
Right.
I really believe that I got everything right on it. I mean, I think the incidents on the wings are correct. We did our dotting on the thing. And I'm going to have Lori put some photographs of, I actually took photographs as I was rebuilding to let you guys see what it took. But now what Jerry did do for us is that after the fact, he did buy parts for it that I couldn't have replaced, like
the cowl,
the cowl in the front. It was all broke, so he had bought a new one on
landing
that
gear.
one.
I think there was a new set of landing gear.
New landing gear. He had some new struts for it. So yeah, a lot of new parts were put on this. Even the guns were tore up on the old one, so he had bought those. So I was able, with his help, to put it back to this. And the wings wasn't that. The biggest damage was on the end runners on the wings here, but you know, it is what it is. Like I said in a video before, my pride is to see this thing come out here and do what it's supposed to do again. And when it does do that, then I'm satisfied. And I hope you guys enjoy us doing this, because biplanes are not the most forgiving planes that you can put together.
Not the easiest to transport.
They're persnickety.
They're persnickety. We've got Mr. McGee sitting over there.
Mr. McGee is watching us as we do this, and if this is a successful flight, Mr. McGee is going to get his airplane back, and he wants it back. You know, this is a funny thing about guys like Jerry. He likes to fly with his hair on fire. You've watched him on our channel fly those jets. But his passion is here in a way too, because, and I know what it is the challenge. The jets are a challenge, and these are a challenge.
When you get them right, they're really good. When you don't get them right, they go wrong really quick.
Stick and rudder airplane.
Stick and rudder, that's right.
You better know what rudder is, and you better know how to, a good stick and rudder man. So, Wesley, it is time. We have had a good run at these airplanes. We did lose the duck the other day.
We did.
But if you look back on all of our airplanes so far this year, we've had a lot of good luck with our planes that I have put back together or have assembled or whatever. We've had a lot of good planes this year, and hopefully this one is going to end our year with a bang. Not to say this is going to be the last one we'll fly, but it's probably going to be pretty close to the last one. So let's get out here and fly this thing and show these people what this thing can do.
Let's do it. All right, guys, here we go. Maiden flight of our Re-Maiden flight of our Fokker D7.
If this don't fly and not put another
biplane together ever.
No, this is it for me. I've had all I want.
This plane last flew in 2010.
2010.
They're fun, but they're not that fun.
2010 to 2020. 21. So it's been 11 years since this airplane last flew.
Biplane gods.
Biplane gods. Here we go.
Flies. So here we go. Let's go. Power.
That's all of it.
That's all of it. Holy shit. That's a sick. It's got a 60 motor.
That's
electric
perfect.
motor. It's got an E-Flight 60 motor.
It's fine scale.
Yep, it's good. It's good. It just needs to get trimmed, and it'll be fine. It's just way out of whack right now. It's good, guys. It's good. I'm powering back. It's correct. It's not tail heavy. It's just out of whack. I'm trying to trim everything.
This is the best flying World War I airplane.
It is. It's great.
Oh, I thought it'd be faster.
Oh no, this is it. That's it. That's scale right there.
I can handle this.
Yeah, it's scale. Yeah, you give her some rudder, that looks good.
I think the soft-wood Camel was faster.
It's way
than
faster.
that.
The Camel's way faster.
And that's got a 60 size engine.
No, 45.
No. It's got a 60.
No, Sopwith had a 45.
Yeah,
I'm just trying to get the trims correct, guys, but yeah, I mean, it's weighted correctly. It's flying great.
Really?
Yeah.
Looks just like it did 11 years ago.
Slow.
Yeah.
Yep.
Look how rails it is, though. Oh my gosh. On rails. I was expecting it to be a little faster too, but it flies good.
Well, the prop is what they said to use on the 60.
Lori, how's that for filming?
It's too
I
fast. I
rattling.
can't handle this.
That's okay. Who cares about rattling?
As long as the motor doesn't cut out on it like the other one.
Sounds like you're
Oh, I see it. It's the cover on the end of the wing.
Oh.
The covering's falling off on the bottom wing.
Well, that's
No way.
a good old. Good
No
old-
way. Right? Look at it out there in the sun, though.
I don't.
See the covering on the end of the wing?
Yeah, that's it.
See it now?
I'm sorry, but
I will
that's
say
good
it
old-
looks gorgeous in the clouds.
It's beautiful right now. I mean, it's beautiful. Flying fantastic.
Well, it was completely disassembled.
Oh, baby. Lower.
And I'll show you that in the pictures.
You just don't get it too slow in the turn. Use the rudder to turn it. And I mean, it just
Well, it's World War I.
flies fantastic.
I wish we could get the speed up on it a little bit faster.
Now you know why I kept this airplane wreckage around for so long.
It's slow, but it's just a very
Perfect. It's fun.
docile plane. Keep
Yeah.
it in nice and close.
And it looks good in the air.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
It wasn't that slow with that 91.
Hangar 9 needs to bring this one back.
They got it in a big one.
Yeah, I know.
I've been wanting to buy it,
This
and
is
I might now.
This is a good transport size.
If you get it up high enough with it roll.
Probably. You want to roll, Terry?
Yeah, get it
Go
up
for it,
higher.
Lisa.
Did it roll?
Just get it up, go up a little bit higher.
I'm
Get
getting
it
there.
up higher. I think it's
'Cause
going
it
to be
might
one
fall
of
out
those
on you.
I'm going to roll right now thing.
You got to kind of pitch down and
Right.
get some
Get,
smash.
we're gonna fly up a little bit, guys, slowly. You fly this scale. It's not overpowered. It's just scale, like a real one.
Yep.
So we're gonna get some altitude. All right. Here we go. We're gonna pitch down in the turn and get some speed,
Really speed.
Pitch up
and then
roll.
up and roll.
Oh, yeah, it rolls really good.
Did you have to use rudder for that?
Nope.
Try it with rudder, even better.
Well, how much time we got left?
Probably a while. I don't know. Hang on. Let me get to my Avion screen and we can look at the battery.
Ooh.
That's me. Getting backwards, trying to go left and right. We're anybody read?
RPMs, voltage. Voltage is 14.6.
14.6. So what does that equal out to divided by 4?
3.5.
Oh, let's bring it in then. We got a whole nother battery in it too. All right, it's flying fantastic. So we're gonna fly this down with power. I've learned biplanes like a little bit of power.
Oh, look.
Yeah.
Into the wind, in the wind, in the wind, in the wind. I don't give a crap what you do. They're going to go in the wind. And there's just a barely little wind.
So if you were wondering what the flapping noise is, there it is. It's
There
like,
it is on the-
turn, baby.
Put up elevator. Yeah.
I'm holding it, all of it. You flying this one.
There we go.
Hey, we'll change the battery and go again. We'll let Mr. McGee fly the next
Oh,
one.
wow.
Jerry McGee on the sticks. Tell him what's going on.
I bought this plane in 2007. I crashed it in 2010. I had an OS61 with a NiCad battery for the radio, and one of the cells went dead 10 years ago. I bought all the replacement parts, kept the airframe, and then got on the jets. But I kept everything, and then the boozers came to my shop. They saw my Fokker D7 laying around, and they said, "We want to put that up." So they did. And now I'm getting ready to fly it again. Wesley's flown it. It's awesome. Great job, Papa. Thank you so much. This airplane is near and dear to my heart, so hopefully I don't screw this up.
First time in 11 years.
Yeah.
And it does fly scale, so
Where's your throttle cut?
Top.
Is that it?
Yeah.
It does. Oh, it seemed like it's flying a little faster, Jerry, than it did the first time.
Yeah.
Oh man. Look at here. Look at here.
I think Papa's proud of his creation.
Well, this one was a recreation, guys. There was a lot gone on this airplane.
I left you with a lot of parts.
Yeah, but there was a lot of parts. But like I say, the slabs on each side of the it was everywhere you see red, other than it was gone. But yeah, this is where I get the reward right here, where I see a guy that gets his airplane back, and I get the reward to see it fly as good as it does. There's my reward, being my age. It was a long process. Well, I don't know. I remember emailing you back. I said about 10 days I had the fuselage redone.
Yep.
Yeah, enjoy it, Jerry. Enjoy
I will. I missed flying this one. That's for sure.
I mean, this guys, this is something special for me. When a man gets to rejoin his old plane back again that he enjoyed flying so many years ago.
Yeah, I flew it for 3 years before the battery incident.
Of course, this is perfect.
Oh my
no
gosh.
wind right now.
Yeah.
I mean, this is good for this airplane. I mean, they don't, as everybody knows, biplanes do not. Well, if you're going to fly a biplane, it better be right straight down the runway in a lot of ways. But yeah.
Might look down at it. Hey,
He's still
flew it
got
like
403 in it. I'll go get it.
I got it. Nope, it's not going to turn.
Thought you had.
Run, Papa, run! Yeah, I think you still had battery left. Whatever. You can call it good if you want. 402.
Yeah.
You want to fly more, or are you good?
No, this is wonderful.
You gonna go again?
No, I'm good. The sun's almost down, so.
All right. Well, there it is, guys.
There it is.
Beautiful restoration job. Thank you so much.
You can see it, guys, up here. And oh, it's glorious, Papa always says. Beautiful plane. Jerry seems happy.
Very happy.
In the beautiful Florida sunset.
Yeah.
Where's Skip? There's Skip. He's hiding.
He's in the hangar.
Skip's in the hangar. All right, guys. We'll see y'all later. Get out
Thank
there and
you.
fly with your friends.
Thank you, Boozers, for fixing this airplane. This has been